Yo, I'm back with another update. I'm currently at $21,876. I'm down $776 dollars, and then earned dividends is at 261. So for this week, I have been buying some Apple and Tesla. Tomorrow morning, I'll be buying some. It will be Thursday morning. I'll be buying some Tesla around the 240 area. And then I was buying for this week some Apple shares as well. Um, I was buying around 137 area. I do see it going to 131 in the next few weeks, so I'll be buying more around there. And then, yeah, I was adding a little bit of Coca-Cola for my dividends, and then SCHD as well, Nike, Microsoft, and yeah, as far as this week, that's what I bought pretty much. Oh, I did sell out of Carnival and a little bit Disney, just because I do see the market going down a bit lower the next few weeks. For CCL, it did pay a dividend. I mean, it did back then, but it isn't anymore. So that's kind of why I sold out a bit, and I don't really see it recovering till for a while. So that's my reason why. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I am kind of getting a bit more aggressive, adding like buying $100 in each company now. I do have more buying power as well for the next few weeks that come. If it does dip, I'll be ready. And then yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update. I'm still adding 300 every week so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Subscribe and leave a like. Thanks. Peace.